Good morning, my dear students, grade 9 students, in your math session on Wednesday, 18/3/2020, multiplying polynomials, part 1. By the end of this lesson, we must know how to use the FOIL method in solving or in multiplying polynomials, and we solve together some problems. We stand on multiplying polynomials by monomials. So in the previous lesson, we're talking about a monomial multiplied by a polynomial. It may be another monomial or binomial or trinomial. In this lesson, we are talking about multiplying monomials by using the FOIL method, multiplying binomials by using the distributive property. Today we are talking about the first one only, multiplying polynomials by using the FOIL method. The new vocab, the FOIL method, and quadratic expression. We are talking about the FOIL method. What is FOIL method? If we have a problem like this, I need to multiply as you see. I need to multiply as you see. X plus 4, it's binomial, and x minus 2, it's also binomial. Consists of how many terms? 2 terms here and 2 terms here. I need to multiply. The FOIL method is a way to multiply these two binomials. So the FOIL method is a method we used it to multiply two polynomials. Okay. The first is binomial and the second also is binomial. So we must, to use the FOIL method, we must have here 2 terms and here also 2 terms. Okay, we must use this method if we have what? If we have binomial, we have binomial, and in the other side also binomial. Okay? Let's start by the first. The first letter for the word FOIL. The word FOIL. The first letter is what? F. F, it means the first term multiply the first term. The first term multiply the first term. It means x multiplied by x. The first term here is x and the first term here is x. So x multiplied by x. First multiplied by first. This is the meaning of the letter F. So first multiplied by first, x times x equal what? X squared. Yes. After that, O. What means by O? O, it means the outer terms. This is the first term from here and this is the last term from here. So the outer terms. We have 2 outer terms and 2 inner terms. So the outer terms are x and negative 2. X multiplied negative 2 equal negative 2x. And then the letter I. The letter I means inner. The letter I means inner. The inner, it means the 2 numbers in the middle. This number and this number, which is 4 and x. So 4 multiplied by x, 4 multiplied by x equal positive 4x. This is the inner. And the letter L, the last letter, it's talking about what? It's talking about the last. The last term in the first binomial and the last term in the second binomial. So the last term here is 4 and the last term here is negative 2. So multiply, yes, negative times positive equal negative 8. It's negative. After we get this form, we must simplify. What or how to get to simplify? How to simplify? Just take the like terms, make plus or minus according to their sign. So we have here negative 2x and positive 4x. Different signs subtract, yes. It will be positive 2. So I write x squared as it is. I write negative 8 as it is. For these two like terms, I get the result which is positive 2x. So you have now, excellent, a trinomial. X squared plus 2x minus 8 is a trinomial, consists of three terms. So multiply a binomial by a binomial. Give me here the result as a trinomial by using the FOIL method. Okay, let's start to get the first example. Pay attention. Find z minus 6 multiplied by z minus 12. Start the FOIL method. Yes, who can memorize with me the FOIL method? Yes, F, it means first. So I take the first term with the first term. Multiply. Z multiplied by z squared. Okay. After that, O, excellent, outer. So it means the first and the last. The first here and the last here, outer terms. Z multiplied by negative 12 equal 12z. Negative 12z. Pay attention about the sign. So negative 12z. Okay, after that, yes, I means what? The inner. So negative 6 multiplied by z. Negative 6 multiplied by z. Yes, it's negative 6z. And what about the letter L? Yes, the last term here and the last term here. So I hear you. 6 times 12 equal 72. So I just write, okay, positive 72. We have a mistake. What is a mistake? Okay, yes, negative here and negative here. You don't say negative. But negative times negative equal positive. So no problem about here because you have two same sign. If you have two same sign, the product must be positive. So negative 6 multiplied by negative 12, it's equal to positive 72. Now, have you? Yes, we don't finish yet. I'm waiting for. Yes, the simplest form. We need to simplify the result. How we can simplify the result? Yes, the like terms here. So I just write z power 2 as it is. Negative with negative, so we add and put their sign because we have the same sign. So we write negative from the beginning. 12 plus 6 equal, yes, 18. Z, only z, not z power 2. In adding and subtracting, we don't add or subtract the powers. Okay, we're going to complete plus 72. Is this the simplest form? Yes, because you have here z power 2, here z, here the free term or the absolute term or the constant, which is represented by 72. I can't add or combine any of the terms, so this is the simplest form. Let's go to another example. Yes, of course. We're going to the other example. Fine. Yes. Who can help me? Yes. FOIL method. First. Okay, first multiplied by first. So 10x power 2. And then outer. Okay, I hear your answer. Okay, so you have here 5x multiplied by 8. It's 40 by positive or Yes, yes, excellent. So one of them is negative and the other is positive, so the result is negative from the beginning. Yes, negative 8x. And then L, it means the last term here and the last term here. The product will be negative, yes, and 32. Have you finished everything? No, still the simplest form. The simplest form, collect the like terms. We have here 10x power 2 as it is. These are like terms. We add or subtract. Different sign, we subtract, we get 32, yes, so positive 32x minus 32. Okay, so this is our result for the second example. We're going to do the third one. We're going to do the third one. Okay, it's very easy. Yes, foil. So I need to write, okay, foil. Let's start F. First times first. X power 2, excellent. O, outer, negative from the beginning. 3 times x equals 3x, yes. And then I, inner. Both are positive, so I add. I write positive. 2x. And then L, which means the last two terms, negative from the beginning because different sign, and write here 6. Have you finished? No, still the like terms. These are like terms. So x power 2 as it is. Negative 1x, excellent, minus 6. Okay, wait, it's right. Yes, but we can, in the next step, we can remove 1 because if the coefficient is 1, we don't write it. This is right. But when the coefficient is equal to 1, we don't write it. So it will be x power 2 minus x minus 6. This is my simplest form. Okay, let's go to the last example. The last example. Okay, this is the last example. Let's start the last example together. We have to find, yes, the product of 3x plus 5, 2x minus 6. We use the FOIL method. Okay, I'm waiting. You will write FOIL. Okay, FOIL, F-O-I-L. FOIL, it means first, I take the first two terms. What is the product? 6x squared. Excellent. O, it means, yes, I hear you, outer. Negative from the beginning. The product will be 18x, yes. And then I means inner. So the two inner numbers, which are 5 and 2x. 5 multiplied by 2x, 10x. With, yes, you must write the sign first and write 10x. And then L, it means last. So the last two terms, or the last term here and the last term here, which equal positive 30. So a small mistake. We have a mistake? Yes, we have here 5 times 6 equals 30, but one of them is positive and the other is negative. Pay attention about the sign. So this will be negative. After that, yes, the like terms. As you see, I get the like terms with their signs. Okay, in order not to confuse. Write 6x squared as it is. Negative and positive, so subtract. Write the sign of the big number, which is negative. And then 8x minus 30. Okay, this is the simplest form. By the end of this example, we have finished the first part of the new lesson, multiplying polynomials. Please try to react with electronic homework on SBS. Thanks, my dear students, for listening, and goodbye.